must congratulate Honorable Prime Minister for his exceptional leadership, which has transformed India over the last decade, repositioning India globally, drawing great admiration. Under your strategic vision and dynamic leadership, India has emerged today as the fastest growing major economy in the world for 3 consecutive years. Sir, you have always appreciated the role of industry in India's progress and fostered trust and partnership between government, industry, and stakeholders. We are indeed honored that you have kindly agreed to address industry immediately after the major policy statement of the Union Budget, which also outlines the 9 key areas that would be pillars of India's march towards a Viksit status. So on behalf of the Indian industry and CII, I'd like to thank you for reflecting many of the industry suggestions in the Union Budget, including the employment-linked incentive. Today we have over 1,200 industry and other stakeholders joining us physically, and many more are watching at 160 plus locations within India. We have here our apex national and sectoral bodies. Besides this, additional centers at locations of our international partners in 25 plus countries and at 60 different locations are also joining us. Sir, you have been a tremendous source of inspiration for the industry, and this very strong participation today is reflective of this. The Union Budget reaffirms your emphasis on inclusive growth and has outlined a roadmap for Viksit Bharat. I once again congratulate you and your government for the astute handling of the economy and continued focus on reforms for greater investment, prosperity, and livelihood opportunity. So you have laid a strong foundation in Amrit Kaal. As we move towards Viksit Bharat, this is an exciting and unprecedented phase in India's economic history, and we at Indian Industry would like to work together with you on all fronts. Honorable Prime Minister, as you lead India on its journey towards Viksit Bharat, industry pledges to align with your vision for Viksit Bharat at 100 and stand together with you. We now look forward to your kind guidance for this partnership. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
May I now request the Honourable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, to please address the august gathering.
CII के प्रेसिडेंट श्री संजीव पुरी जी, यहाँ उपस्थित इंडस्ट्री के सभी दिग्गज साथी, सीनियर डिप्लोमेट्स, वीसी के द्वारा देश के अलग अलग कोने से हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए उद्योग और व्यापार जगत के सभी साथी, अन्य सभी महानुभाव, देवी और सज्जनों, अगर युवाओं की सभा होती तो मैं शुरू करता, हाउ इज द जोश। लेकिन लगता है ये भी सही जगह है। और जब मेरे देश में इस प्रकार से जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में स्थिरता प्राप्त किए व्यक्ति जोश से भरे हुए हो, तो मेरा देश कभी पीछे नहीं हट सकता।
you.